10 signs your cat is unhappy. Cats are known for their independent and often mysterious nature, making it sometimes challenging to decipher their feelings. However, like humans, cats can experience emotions ranging from contentment to distress. Understanding the signs of unhappiness in cats is crucial for providing them with the care and attention they need. Here are 10 signs that may indicate your cat is unhappy. 1. Changes in eating habits. ***. A sudden decrease or increase in appetite can be a sign of stress or illness. If your cat's eating habits change significantly, it's essential to monitor them closely and consult with a veterinarian if the behavior persists. 2. Avoidance or hiding. ***. Cats may withdraw and hide more than usual when they are unhappy. They might seek out secluded spots or avoid interactions with family members or other pets in the household. 3. Excessive grooming. ***. While grooming is normal for cats, excessive licking or grooming to the point of creating bald patches or irritated skin can indicate stress or discomfort. 4. Aggression or irritability. ***. Unhappiness or stress can manifest in aggressive behavior towards people or other pets. If your cat becomes unusually hostile or easily agitated, it might be a sign of underlying issues. 5. Changes in sleeping patterns. ***. Cats are creatures of habit, and changes in their sleep patterns, such as sleeping more or less than usual, could indicate stress, discomfort, or illness. 6. Vocalization. ***. Increased vocalization, especially persistent meowing or crying, can be a cry for attention or a sign of distress. Pay attention to the frequency and intensity of your cat's vocalizations. 7. Litter box issues. ***. Changes in litter box habits, such as avoiding the litter box or urinating outside of it, can indicate physical or emotional distress. This behavior warrants prompt investigation and possible veterinary consultation. 8. Decreased interest in play. ***. Play is a crucial indicator of a cat's well-being. A significant decline in interest in toys or interactive play sessions may suggest your cat is feeling unhappy or unwell. 9. Changes in body language. ***. Pay attention to your cat's body language. Signs such as flattened ears, dilated pupils, tense posture, or a tucked tail can indicate stress, fear, or discomfort. 10. Health issues. ***. Unhappiness in cats can sometimes manifest as physical symptoms, such as weight loss, lethargy, excessive shedding, or changes in coat condition. Regular veterinary checkups can help identify and address potential health issues early on. Responding to your cat's unhappiness. If you notice any of these signs in your cat, it's essential to investigate the underlying causes and take appropriate steps to address their well-being. Veterinary examination. ***. Schedule a checkup with your veterinarian to rule out any potential medical issues causing your cat's unhappiness. Environmental enrichment. ***. Provide a stimulating and comfortable environment for your cat, including interactive toys, scratching posts, cozy resting spots, and access to windows for observing the outside world. Routine and consistency. ***. Cats thrive on routine. Ensure regular feeding times, play sessions, and a consistent environment to help reduce stress. Positive reinforcement. ***. Reward desirable behaviors with treats and affection to encourage positive interactions and alleviate stress. Understanding your cat's behavior and responding promptly to signs of unhappiness can help strengthen your bond and ensure your feline friend leads a happy and healthy life. By observing their behavior closely and addressing their needs, you can create a nurturing environment where your cat feels safe, secure, and loved.